Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I have this 2020 Toyota Sienna, and I'm about to show you how to do the oil change real quick. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's get it. Guys, welcome back. Stu is back. I hope you enjoyed the video how to do the oil change, and now I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life. Once you start your vehicle, you're going to see that message, right? Well, it's time to reset it. It's time to get it going. All you're going to do is press this button right here. That thing's going to go away. Now you're gonna play with these arrows, okay? Go to the right or go to the left in this menu. Go there where it says settings. This is like an enter to go in. Scroll down all the way down until you see maintenance reset. Click there. It's gonna ask you reset the maintenance reminder. Scroll up, click there, yes. Maintenance reset completed. And this is how you reset the oil life in this 2020 Toyota Sienna. It's a family minivan. I like it though. I'm not gonna hold you up. I hope you enjoyed the video. And please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. And please, the feedback, like I always say, the feedback, any questions, anything you need to say, anything you need to add, put it in the comment box for me and I'll catch you up later. Alright? Holla at your boy, Astuo, Burung. Hey!